Hey guys, I'm Props, and today I'm making the Derelict Lightsaber from Star Wars The Old Republic. So what you're going to want to do for this is print out the files that I made for this, and those are just on my Thingiverse page. I think I'll have the print settings that I did for this on there if you guys need those. Then I went through and printed everything out, and then went through and sanded everything until they fit snugly. You may want to not have them fit snugly, so be a little bit looser so that they can slide into each other once they're painted, because I did run into that issue of a too tight of a tolerance once I painted them. I then went through and painted everything black, and then I painted it with a metallic silver paint, masking off the black areas like the rib section and the hilt. I then went through and slid all of the parts into each other, and you're about to see me accidentally break this thing in half. At the rib section, I didn't make the infill of this particular lightsaber very high, so it ended up snapping under the force of me twisting it. I re-glued that together and then went through and applied a black wash over the whole hilt. This is just to give it a really nice grimy old look, and I actually did this pretty heavily, a lot heavier than I normally do my lightsabers, just because this is a really old lightsaber. I mean, not in the Old Republic it's not, but nowadays it would be a really old lightsaber. I'm really pleased with how this whole saber hilt turned out. I mean, I'm overall just a big fan of this lightsaber design, it being kind of a combination of Obi-Wan's, Luke's original, and Luke's second lightsaber, and all of the small details and everything printed out really fine, and with a little cleanup work and a paint job, this thing really looks fine. I have this for sale on my Etsy shop if you guys are interested. Also, if you guys don't mind checking out my Patreon, by supporting me there, you guys help me make better videos as well as be able to afford different equipments and stuff. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys don't mind liking and subscribing, please do. Let me know if you guys have any builds or anything you guys want me to do so I can try to make them. See you guys next vid. Bye.